10 Most Terrifying Black Holes Ever Discovered. Part 3. Phoenix A, the black hole that breaks the rules of the universe. In 2010, astronomers discovered something that never received the attention it truly deserved. Hidden deep within the constellation, Phoenix, nearly 5.8 billion light-years from Earth, lay a gigantic cluster of galaxies that would become known as the Phoenix Cluster. At first, it appeared to be nothing more than a distant patch of light. But as scientists looked closer, they realized they might be staring at one of the strangest places in the entire universe. At the heart of the Phoenix Cluster sits an enormous galaxy, and at the center of that galaxy lurks a supermassive black hole, a cosmic monster with an estimated mass of around 10 billion suns. That alone would be impressive, but that is not why astronomers are obsessed with Phoenix A. What makes it terrifying is that this black hole does not behave the way a black hole is supposed to behave. Normally, supermassive black holes are cosmic regulators. As matter falls inward, enormous amounts of energy are blasted back into space through powerful jets. These jets heat the surrounding gas to millions of degrees. The gas cannot cool, and without cold gas, new stars cannot form. That is exactly what astronomers observe across the universe, everywhere except here. Astronomers discovered that the central galaxy in Phoenix was producing stars at a completely absurd rate. Not twice as many, not 10 times as many, but hundreds to thousands of times more than expected. It was as if you discovered a volcano producing an iceberg. Nothing made sense anymore. The models failed, the theories failed, and nobody knew why. For 15 years, it remained a mystery. From 2010 to 2025, Phoenix remained one of the greatest unsolved mysteries in modern astronomy. Hubble observed it. Chandra observed it. Radio telescopes studied it. Everyone could see the result. No one could explain the cause. It was like finding a massive factory operating at full capacity, without knowing where its fuel was coming from. In 2025, something happened that astronomers had hoped for years. A team led by researchers from MIT, including Michael McDonald and Michael Reif, used the James Webb Space Telescope to peer directly into the heart of the Phoenix Cluster. What Webb found had never been seen before. Not in Phoenix, not in any other galaxy cluster, nowhere. Webb detected an enormous amount of warm gas. Not hot, not cold, but right in between. That may sound unremarkable, but this was the missing evidence astronomers had been searching for decades. For the first time in history, scientists were able to observe the entire cooling process, from extremely hot gas to warm gas to cold gas to star formation, a process that had long been predicted but never fully observed. The new observations suggest that between 5,000 and 23,000 solar masses of gas may be cooling every single year. To put that into perspective, our Milky Way forms roughly one sun's worth of stars per year. Phoenix is operating on an entirely different scale. Even by cosmic standards, it is extreme. Astronomers now consider it one of the most dramatic examples of a cooling flow ever discovered. But this is where it gets truly strange. The black hole may not simply be preventing cooling. It may actually be helping it. The enormous jets carve gigantic cavities into the surrounding hot gas, and along the edges of those cavities, Webb detected rapidly cooling material. In other words, the monster that should have shut down star formation may actually be helping create the conditions for new stars to be born. That idea challenges some of our most fundamental assumptions about how black holes interact with their environments. Why is Phoenix A so terrifying? Not because it is the largest black hole, not because it is the most distant, but because it reveals how much we still do not understand. A single object nearly 6 billion light years away has forced astronomers to rethink some of the most important ideas about black holes. And if one black hole can behave so differently from what we expect, how many others are still out there, hidden in the darkness, waiting to be discovered, perhaps larger, perhaps more powerful, perhaps even stranger than Phoenix A? And that is why Phoenix A is considered one of the most fascinating and mysterious objects in the observable universe. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next part of the series, and thanks for watching.